Hello and welcome to another episode of ravisinghblog.in, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to talk about Thrive Themes Ovation. This is the latest product Thrive Themes has launched, and this product is exclusively to create testimonial for your WordPress blog or for your product or for your sales page. So testimonial is a very important part of your review or a new page or new sales page, because when people try to buy, they look for testimonial, how the other people have used and what was their experience. So that's the point where your product can be different from others. So if you want to create a testimonial by yourself, it's a very difficult and cumbersome process, because you need to find out testimonial from your email, from your social media and all, and then you need to convert that in appropriate which will be suited for your website. So this product Thrive Theme Ovation can do that all for you. And remember, when you have a good testimonial, a real experience of the user, people will, the customer or the visitor will turn into the customer, and you will convert these sales. The second point is it will also build up trust in your website or blog. For example, if I'm a blogger and in my About Us page I put some testimonial for the different blogger who rated me good, that again will build trust and people will more likely to visit or subscribe to my blog. So Thrive Ovation also have some beautiful template which you can directly use. This is one of them which you can see on your website, and it looks very professional, it looks very clear, and it will look good on all type of devices. You don't have to manipulate how it looks on the devices, so it's all responsive, and it will look very good, this type of beautiful template for your testimonial. So what I'm going to show is a quick demo of how to use it for your WordPress. I already explained all the features of this product in my blog review. So let's directly go to the dashboard and see how it works. So once you buy your Thrive Ovation membership, they will give you a key, so and the plugin file. So you have to install Thrive Ovation plugins first, and then after that you need to validate it with the key which they will provide you. Once you do that, you will land on this Thrive Ovation dashboard. So this is how it will look. Now once you have this, you can see like whatever testimonial you have created, you can see here, and also you can see the status here, which is ready for display, rejected, awaiting approval. So it's very easy to search all your testimonial right on your dashboard, and also you can see the status here. It can be of different status. For example, Thrive Ovation has a way to send the approval emails to the customer. So if I want to get an approval before I display their comment or their pictures on my website as a testimonial, I can also get an approval from them. So all the process is very much automated here. Second thing which I would like to tell is the tag. So you can add any number of tag whichever you want, and what will happen is it's very easy to search particular testimonial. For example, I'm launching a new product or I'm going to review a new product, so I will tag it as the name of the product, and then I'll put all the testimonial based on that tag. So it is very easy for me to search it. Now the second thing is how to capture the testimonial. So there are 4 ways you can capture it. First one is using the Thrive Content Builder. So if you have a Thrive Content Builder plugin, which is a separate product from Thrive Themes, you can create a landing page through which you can capture the testimonial. So you can either email those landing pages to the customer, or you can put it on your website and people can use it to provide their pictures and their comments to you, which you can use here. The second thing is capture using WordPress shortcuts. So this is a manual way in which Thrive Ovation provide you a set of templates which you can select and use it to capture the testimonial. So what will happen in the WordPress shortcut is every testimonial which you created, Thrive Ovation will provide you a shortcut key which you can directly put in the post, and then that testimonial will be visible. You have of course the Thrive lead. So if you have Thrive lead plugin installed on your machine, you can also capture the testimonial using Thrive lead. So it's a kind of email subscription pop-up box, or kind of window where you can throw it to the customer, and then they can get a review, or they can post a review of the product. And of course this is very good feature which is import from social media. So what will happen is whenever someone posts a comment on your social media, for example Facebook and Twitter page, that comment you can use it as a testimonial. So what you can see here is this is the comment which Harlina provided me on the Facebook comment. So I can directly use the pictures and the comment and make it as a testimonial. So these are the way through which you can capture the testimonial. Now how to display it? Of course, while displaying, the one way is WordPress shortcut, which will be given by the Thrive Ovation. You can put it in your post, and the your testimonial will be visible. Second thing is of course Thrive Content Builder. So if you install Thrive Content Builder, that's a separate product. Then in that Thrive Content Builder, there is an option to display the Thrive Ovation testimonial. So I would highly recommend to buy this Thrive Ovation along with Thrive Content Builder and Thrive Leads, so that you can maximize it. But you can always use it as an individual product. So let's see some of the other option here we have in dashboard. It's called the setting. So what we have in the setting window, we have email, which is kind of a way to ask the customer to provide you permission to use the testimonial. So just to escape from the legal issue, you can always ask customer to provide their input before you publish their picture or their comments. So I will highly recommend this. You can set everything from here. Now of course the landing page is how if you have Thrive Content Builder, then you can use this option, and this is very handy. And of course sorry for my throat, it's not good today. And about the email integration service, so when you set the Thrive lead, you have to have a backend email delivery system through which you send the email. And of course the email configuration which I talked about, you have to have an email provider. For example, in my case it is MailChimp, so I can add new and add a new whatever email provider you have. Like you can have a MailChimp, or you can have a any other email provider service, whichever you have, you can connect it here. Now let me show you one example how I shown, or my testimonial. I'm going to show it on my web page. So this is already I've created one. So I will go preview and edit, and I will show you how to use it. So once you create a new testimonial, and you land onto this WordPress. So this is a testimonial I was talking about, which you have shown on my dashboard. So you can come here, on the top of the page you can see here we have different options like color, display setting. So you can choose a different color, whatever color you want here. And then display setting is something like you have two options here. First one is static, second one is dynamic. So what is the difference between these two? The static content is something which will never change. It is a one-time effort, and when you click on this, it will use this template, and then whatever the static content you have created that time will remain same as it is. The difference between a dynamic and static content is dynamic content is based on a tag, and whenever you change it from your dashboard, it will automatically start reflecting on your post or the page. So I would highly recommend to use the dynamic content. So before that, you have to categorize the your testimonial based on a tag. you can use different tag, and then you can build a dynamic content, and then whenever you want to change your testimonial, it will automatically reflect. You don't have to come again to the page to make the changes. So the second part of it is the change template. So you can see here Tribe Ovation provide you a lot of different templates, and you all are look very professional, very good. You can choose either one of them, and you also have an option of slides here. So see here, this is the slide. So if you have like 5 or 6 testimonial has to be shown in a way of slide, you can use either one of them. All are very professional, very good. So once you do that, you can change the template. Of course, I will show you this one. So you have to just select it and click on update, and you see here it will change. So you can see here, like, this is not a picture or a screenshot. This is a kind of CSS and HTML combination kind of code, and it will look very good. Even if you try it on your mobile devices, it will look the same. It will automatically adjust the size and the look. So overall, I would say this is a very good product, and this is going to give me more credibility as a blogger, and also if I'm reviewing a product, it's going to add value, and people will likely to click or likely to convert into the customer using the testimonial. I hope you like my video. Please do write to me if you have any question about Tribe Ovation, and I would appreciate if you share, comment, and subscribe the video. Thank you very much for listening to me.